Hello everyone, welcome to WordPress Mastery Series. Today we learn how to add plugin in your site. So first of all, click plugin. Here is our installed plugin. For installing plugin, add plugin. And search bricks. Elementor is my favorite plugin. Mostly I use. So here you can see brick saver for brick builder. Install now. WooCommerce is used to create product. Click activate. Our plugin has activated. You can see here another plugin like contact form 7 elemental. Subscribe WordPress Mastery. See you soon.